Good morning, friends. Today we'll go with some basic concepts for the classes of for basic classes for 9th and 10th class students. So it will be very helpful for the students of 9th and 10th class. And the topic is about the speed or velocity. Okay. So previously we have discussed what is speed or velocity, basic formula for both, and what is the difference between speed and velocity, that we have already uh, discussed in our previous lectures. Now there are some questions based on this particular topic, speed or velocity. So we will know that what is the basic formula of speed. Speed is equal to total distance covered upon divided by time interval or the time taken. Okay. So this is the basic formula for speed. Okay, and for velocity, we are taking here displacement and time. So distance is the total distance covered, and displacement is the distance between initial and final point of that particular thing, that we have already discussed in our previous lectures. Okay, so here we are going to discuss one of the questions. So I am going to read this particular question. The cycle starts from center of a circular path. Circular park of radius 1 kilometer reaches the HP of the park, then cycles along the circumference and returns to the center along QO as shown in figure. If the round trip takes 10 minutes, then average speed of the cyclist. Okay, so we are calculating the average speed. Okay, so to calculate the average speeds, just we'll go. Okay, cyclist is here and this radius is 1 kilometer. Okay, so radius of a circle is uniform. So this particular part is also 1 kilometer. Okay, so OP is 1 kilometer and QO is 1 kilometer. So we can say cyclists start from center. So total distance OP. Okay, plus then it has to travel PQ, and then again it will come to the this particular starting point plus QO. Getting my point? Okay, so this is the distance. So you can say how much distance it is calculating. Distance is equal to OP plus PQ plus QO. Okay, so OP, we already know OP 1 kilometer. Okay, plus PQ. We have to calculate this value of PQ. So I am going to tell you how we will calculate this PQ, and Q is, it is again 1 kilometer. Okay, so we can say total distance is equal to 2 kilometer plus PQ. Now, okay, so this is known as arc. This portion PQ is arc or circumference. So we can basically say arc. Arc is a some cut portion of any particular geometry. Okay, so this is the circle and its cut portion is PQ. So PQ is some sort of arc. So, and what we can say, see this angle. Angle of this particular is pi by 2. Getting my point? Again, this angle is of pi by 2. Again, if we will complete this one, this angle is of pi by 2. And again, this angle is of pi by 2. That's why we can say if we go for a round trip, okay, we can, how much we can travel? Okay, in angle pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Okay, so that is 4 pi by 2 and it is equal to 2 pi, or 2 pi means 180 degree. So 2 pi means 360 degree. So for one revolution of a circle, how much in degrees we can move? 360 degree. Okay, so but our aim is to calculate the value of PQ. So there is one formula. Okay, what is the formula? This is angle. Angle is given as arc upon radius. Angle is nothing but it is arc upon radius. So what is arc? Arc in our case it is PQ. So angle multiplied by radius. Getting my point? What is the angle? Angle in this particular case, it is pi by 2. It is pi by 2. And what is radius? Radius is 1 kilometer. So we can say it is pi by 2. Okay. So now we have calculated the distance PQ. PQ distance is equal to 2 kilometer plus pi by 2 kilometer. And solve it by taking LCM. We can say pi plus 4 by 2 kilometer. Okay, so distance we have already calculated, pi plus 4 by 2 kilometer. Then what is speed? Average speed is given as average speed is equal to distance. Distance is pi plus 4 by 2 and divided by time. See, in our options, it is in kilometer and per minute. So we should not go for any sort of conversion into of kilometer into meter or seconds or minutes like that, because directly the figure has been given in kilometer and minutes. So we can directly put in kilometer and minutes. So we can say average speed is equal to pi plus 4 by 2 divided by how much time? 10 minutes. Okay, so we can go 10. So we can say this is pi plus 4 by 20 kilometer per minute. Okay, so we can go with this second option. So second option is correct. I hope you have understand the concept of this particular thing. Okay, and hope you have clear about the concept of average speed. Here I want to tell you one thing about that. Okay, here displacement is 0 because cyclist is starting from A, reaches to P, Q, and again come to the initial point. So displacement of this is 0. Okay, in this particular case, distance is pi plus 4 by 2, but displacement is 0 in this because the object has been come to its return to its initial point. So final point and initial points are same. So there is no net displacement is equal to 0. There is no displacement over here. So we have calculated here average speed. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, for our second question, let us proceed. Divyata took 1 hour 45 minutes to reach Huda city center metro station from Model Town metro station, which is approximately 40 kilometers away from each other. What is the speed of metro train? Metro train. Okay, as we know, what is the speed? Basic concept is clear. Average speed is nothing but total distance between 2 points divided by time taken, time interval, anything you can say. Okay, so here just to if we will see that we can directly calculate that what is the distance, what is the time taken, which is given between two stations. The distance has been already been given 40 kilometer. Getting my point? And time taken is 1 hour 45 minutes. So it is correct. But here, if you go for the option, it has been given in meter per second, meter per second, meter per second. So here it is important to check. Here it is the distance is given in 40 kilometers, and here it is time has been given in either in hour or in minutes. So we have to convert hour minutes into seconds and then kilometer into meter. Then only we will we are able to proceed with this question. Since we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, therefore 40 kilometer is nothing but it is equal to 40 into 1000 meter. So distance is 40,000 meter. Distance is 40,000 meter, and we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, and 60 minutes on 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Getting my point? So whatever be the value of minutes, we can directly multiply it will seconds to convert it into second. So here it is given 1 hour. Okay. So time means 1 hour plus 45 minutes. How we can write? We can say 60 minutes plus 45 minutes. So total time it is taking is 105 minutes. Okay. So hour we have converted into minutes, but still answer is given in second. So we have to convert it into seconds. So 105 minutes is equal to 105 into 60 seconds. So time in second is 105 into 60. Okay, so if we'll calculate what is the value in seconds, it is 6300 seconds. This value is equal to 6300 seconds. Okay, now just put value here to calculate speed is equal to 40,000 divided by 6300. And if you will divide 40,000 by 6300, you will get its approximate value is 6.34 meter per second. Okay, so we will go with this option number 1. Okay, 6.3 meter per second. That's why it is very important to read the question. We have to check what are the necessary conversion we have required as per our given question. Sometimes the given conversions are similar to the given in units are in the similar given in the answer, but sometimes it has been changed. So we have to convert in according to that particular. Okay, thank you very much.